How to make a female fast orgasm. Orgasm in women is not as easy as men. Women need more stimulation and truly appropriate situations. For this reason, we will explain how to make women satisfied quickly in bed so that their household will be more harmonious. Orgasm in women is not as easy as men. Women need more stimulation and truly appropriate situations.
So, be careful for men, don't let your wife fake her orgasms. If women are not satisfied in bed, this can reduce the quality and harmony of the household. Come on, see the guide to how to get your wife to quickly climax. Although each woman has a varying rate of orgasm, also called ejaculation or climax, at least some of these methods are needed so that women can more easily reach orgasm.
1. Comfortable. 2. Romantic nuance. 3. With a pair that is very desirable. 4. Feel valued. 5. Out of lubricating fluid, without this the woman will be in pain during penetration. 6. The smart pair plays the clitoris.
If the things above have been fulfilled, usually women will easily reach orgasm. The latest research states that most women like clitoral stimulation with their fingers or mouth. Some women even become very easy to reach climax through oral sex, especially if her husband is the smart type to play the tongue and understand what the couple wants. To be able to understand what women want, besides looking for information about what many women want in bed, don't forget to ask him directly.
Even though the husband feels that he has the perfect technique to satisfy the couple, it is meaningless if the wife cannot reach climax. Every woman's joy varies. When certain techniques can satisfy your past partner, it does not mean that you will succeed in your current partner. Because each woman has a different pleasure.
Women rely on feelings in making love. Some women claim that foreplay is the most favorite time in making love. Women need adequate foreplay and dislike when men rush into penetration. Friction of the penis in the vagina will give extraordinary pleasure to men and make it unable to resist ejaculation. As a result, men make a big mistake by repeatedly asking, "Do you want to come out? Have you come out? Haven't come out, dear?"
Stop saying it because the questions really do damage the tension that has been built up and reduce a woman's passion. For men, hopefully writing about how to make women quickly satisfied in this bed can help. Although sex is not the only determinant of household integrity, but when both parties can feel satisfied in bed, it will have a very good effect on household harmony.